Hi all. So I thought I'd just do another little part of a practice session. I've been just doing a few minutes work on this Bach Courante from the second partita. This is the one that I'm doing all the movements from. I've done the Allemande and the huge, great big symphony at the start. I've done, as you can probably see from the fingerings, I've done the first half, but I haven't started on the second half yet in terms of fingerings. So I've only read it through quite badly. So what I thought I'd do is, I'm only 2 days into learning it, so it's by no means anywhere near, but I thought I'll do the first half of this that I've put the fingerings on for and see how that feels, and then take it from there. Oh yeah, and by the way, my piano's been tuned on Monday. Yay! Not this Monday, the Monday after. So, right, first of all, some of these da-da-da-da-da, especially in the left hand. So I'm going to go straight in with that to begin with. Okay, so the first one, bar 2, it's a beggar because you've got 2 notes held over, you've got this bass note held over, and yet you've got to be prepared for this. So it keeps catching me out. So I've got to let go. Oops. Doesn't seem that tricky, yet somehow you put it in context, it's so hard. 1, 2. And I want the da 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 da. I want to lead it up to the ornament. Let go. So I'm shaping it. I'm just doing the left hand to begin with to see if I can get it in my mind exactly as I want it shaped. I kind of feel like I've got to take that off quite rhythmically and then get the hand ready to that G. I feel better when I do that. So in other words, I've got to use the sort of tied note, the rest at the start of that little group to kind of catapult me into the right rhythm. What happens if I do that with the left hand? Let's slow it down. The right hand, rather. Not sure if my balance is right. Bit better. Again. This is stodgy though. In the right hand we've got, it's quite light. I need the same here. Can you hear it? It's not there. Let's slow it down. Let's just do the actual motif itself. It's that in the left hand, it's just not. So as soon as I put it with the right hand, it's not there. thing I noticed that I want to see if I can just get a little bit better at this change from the C minor going into the brightness of the E flat major here, because it's a completely different feel as it goes from then you've got this arpeggiation, and then there's something so sweet about that E flat major. So I'm going to see if I can just get that transition a little bit better. Also, I didn't know when to end my left hand note. So I've got, it's in 6/4, and here I've got a dotted minim. So I need to release that when I get to that. And I keep forgetting. That's not helping. Not very clear when I'm letting go of notes. So I'm not letting go. And I want that to sound really so much different from the sort of the grave nature of the beginning. And I think it's that. Little Moonlight Sonata there. That's a great little transition there, isn't it? So I want that to sort of brighten up. So let's see if I can change the colour from the C minor here. Try again. Kind of. Okay, not too bad. Okay, that's feeling a bit better. This bar kills me. So I've got this held on. And I want to make sure that we can still hear that going over the top. I don't want to hear, because it's not, it's two lines there. And then in the left hand, I think I just need to strengthen this left hand. I've got out on my scales recently and I don't think it's helping. It's a tricky bar. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to quarantine these. If you don't know what I mean by quarantining, ask me in your next lesson. I'm going to quarantine this bar because it's so hard. I'll add it onto the next one. Yes, I am doing this in pen. Yes, I absolutely am doing this in pen. Because it will always, these bars will always be hard, and this bar as well. So that when I come to these pieces, I'll start with the quarantine sections, and I'll do them slowly, and I'll do them every day. Yay!